when strikes were desperate in the 1890s and layoffs were always around the corner, the work was horribly intense, and tuberculosis was known as the shop disease since it was so common. There would be grand meetings in the middle of strikes with half of the community urgently wanting to go back to work under any conditions, and a poet would stand up and read his poetry or recite his poetry for half an hour. And people would be so full of spirit of resistance and sacrifice that they could go on starving for weeks more until they won or until they were entirely beaten. It's like reading a story about Pindar in antique Greece. You know, you can't believe it existed in modern times. And indeed, maybe the German-American socialist would be the exception. I can't think of another newspaper, labor left-wing newspaper, that published poetry on the front page. You know, poetry was slipping back somewhere into what refined people would be able to read. In Yiddish, at least at that point, for anarchists and socialists, poetry was on the front page, and these barely literate readers were reading poetry.